This is McKay here. Looking at today's math homework, which is due, I believe, on Friday. So this is my Friday video, modeling with linear functions, Common Core algebra homework. So what you'll have to do is go through and scroll down to the third page. And let's get started. Okay, water is building up in a bathtub. After 2 minutes, there are 12 gallons of water. After 4 minutes, there are 20 gallons of water. What is the average rate at which water is entering the bathtub from t equals 2 to t equals 4 minutes? Show how you calculated the rate. Okay, so we know that this is my x, this is my y, this is my x, this is my y. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out our slope or our average rate of change. And we're going to take our y's, which are 12 and 20, and we're going to subtract those. And then we're going to look at our x's, which is 4 minus 2. 20 minus 12 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so that would be answer 4. Now I'm not going to do all of them because this is all you have is just the front of the homework. So I'm just going to do the odds. So number 3. Oh, that isn't going to work because then that only leaves you with one question to do. I'll do parts. I'll do the 3A. Marcia charges $15 for every 2 hours that she babysits. I'll answer the following questions based on this information. How much would Maria charge for working for 5 hours? Okay, so we're looking at money over time. So we're looking at money over time. Okay, and then we want to know how many for 5 hours. So that means we're going to put the 5 on the bottom because that's time. We're going to cross multiply. 15 times 5 is, let me use my calculator. Is 75. So 75 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. And x is going to equal $37.50. Okay. Fill out the table below. I did tell you I was only going to do 3A, but let's take a look at B anyways. Fill out the table below for the amount that Maria makes as she babysits and graph the relationship on the grid provided. So, let's see. So she makes 15 every 2 hours, so this will be 30. This will be 45. All I'm doing is just adding 15 to each because we're going up by 2s. This is going to be 60. 75. Sorry about that. And this is 90. Okay. Write an equation for the amount A that Maria makes as a function of the number of hours H that she babysits. Keep in mind that she will make $0 for babysitting 0 hours. So we know that Y equals, we already figured out our rate of change, which, oh, no, we didn't. So our rate of change is going to be, let's see, let's figure out the rate of change first. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to do, this is our X, this is our Y. So we're going to do 30 minus 15. Over 4 minus 2. And 30 minus 15 is 15. 4 minus 2 is 2. 15 divided by 2 is 750. Okay, so that's going to be our M, which is our rate of change. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in terms of A and H. So I know that A equals my rate of change, which is my M, which is 750. So and that would be 750H plus 0, because we know that when she works 0 hours, she makes $0. Do you have to put the 0 at the end? No, but it does look a little bit nicer. Helps you to remember things. I'm just gonna A equals 750H plus 0. There you go. So in case you're having problems with what I was just trying to write, there you go. So you should be able to go ahead and graph using these. Go ahead and graph your hours, and then go ahead and do number 2 on your own. If you need any help, go ahead and send me a message. You can send me an email. I'm working on being able to give you a number so that you could text if you need help. If you feel more comfortable with that, that's in the works. Be looking for that on Monday. Hopefully I'll have that in place. Also thinking about doing maybe like a Zoom call if some of you would like to see each other. It'll be kind of an interesting experience, but one of those things I'm still working on. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message, either in Google Classroom or an email. Okay, bye.